That was quite a red light. Look how far you got. Look how far you got. BKF8958. Hey yo, two things. Your lights aren't on, and you absolutely blew that red light back there.
I did?
Yes, you did. At Boren and Stewart.
I know, but I couldn't stop though. Because,
yeah, you could. I saw you. You could have stopped. Yep, let's just block the bike lane. No one in there.
What the fuck?
Ooh, that's fresh. Come on, man. You want to pass me? If you want to pass me, just tell me you're here. I'll move over. I'll let you pass. Just gotta use words. Are you joking? Are you joking? What the fuck is this? Parking spot, right there. No, gotta be in the crosswalk and bike lane. And of course, there's no one in the fucking car. Idiots. Does it say walk? No, it doesn't. Didn't even look. And I've been more forward by about 2 seconds. Bam. Excuse me, you're in the bike lane? Can you please move?
Go around, man.
Why should I have to go around? What does that sign right there say?
Yeah, he took off somebody's passenger car in the bike lane because somebody did this.
What?
Yeah, snapped the hinges. And I was going about 25 miles an hour. I was just like, I'm not going to stop.
Wait. I'm sorry, I just didn't hear you right. Who did what? Wrong way, idiot.
Bike lane on my electric longboard, and Uber driver pulled up, passenger opened up the door, and I took the
I don't need your wrong way, idiot bullshit. Keep your comments to yourself.
Are you going the wrong way?
Wide the bike lane is?
What is that area? What is
you
that
see
arrow
people
for?
do that all the time.
But yeah, that's the danger.
Don't you have anything
that's the
fucking
danger
better
of
to do?
people
You're blocking
parking
the
in the
fucking
bike lane.
Huh? You're blocking the
No,
bike
this
lane
car
by
is.
standing there,
This
dumbass.
car is.
Fuck you. Get something better to do with your day.
Have a nice day. Thank you. No, you can park in a parking space.
There's no parking space.
Hey, did you hear what that guy said? He said he was on his electric skateboard and he literally unhinged somebody's door because somebody was parked in a bike lane. The passenger just opened the door suddenly and the guy had nowhere to go. See, that's one of many things that can happen when you park your car where you're not supposed to.
So we hit somebody's door?
And that was the driver's fault. Do you want that to happen to you? Because it very much can. You can find a parking space and then there's no problem. You know? Thank you. Yep. Bike lane is free parking. Nope, it doesn't fold. Hey, look where you're going, fuckhead. Step right out in front of me. Oh my God. How did you get here? Explain this. How did you get here? You drove the wrong way down the road, didn't you? So that gives you the right to drive the wrong way down the road? The road goes this way.
Really?
Yeah.
So
Yeah. I mean, he's right. Or he touched on something that I hadn't even pointed out. He was illegally parked. But more importantly, he was facing the wrong way. I've actually never seen that on this strip of road. How did you get here? Wow, that looks incredibly safe. Good job. Put the phone away. Okay, so we already got 3 cars blocking the box. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cars. Got a little too close. Whoa, hello. I will announce you're making a turn. Good job blocking the sidewalk. Parking lot, right there. It's a green light. Go! Go! That was painful. I'm so scared of driving. Oh no! I have no idea how right-of-way works. Yet I got a driver's license. How does that work? know, but you can just go around, right? Put the phone away. Yep. You're going the wrong way, you dumb shit.
He is barely my assholes.
Put the phone away. No. It doesn't matter. Put the phone... It doesn't matter if you're at a red light or not. Put the phone away. You're driving. That's even more dangerous. That's even more dangerous. What if a child steps in front of you? Unbelievable. Pay attention, idiot. Just walk in the bike lane, staring at your phone. Oh my God. There's two of them right now. Would you like to pull all the way into the spot?
Yeah, sorry, buddy.
Thank you. And then this shit. Is there anyone in here? No, of course there's not. Notice parking there. Also up ahead, you'll see that there's a shit ton of parking. Oh, but there's nowhere to park. I don't care what you're doing. Why are you parked in the bike lane? Especially when there's parking right there. There's like 3 or 4 spots right there. There's a shit ton of spots up there.
Well, they won't let me park there.
But so park there.
I'm here for like 5 minutes.
I don't care. You are in the bike lane. Do cars belong in bike lanes? Are bike lanes free parking? No, they're not. See, this is what happens when you're stubborn. Sometimes the drivers will actually notice, and out of shame, they will move. Thank you. Why was that hard?